Okay. So we are back in the game. Once more, my friends. The excitement never ends. So we're back in the world of pizza. That's my favorite world. I'm going to turn on my... Hold on a moment. There we go. Turn on some light. Bring some brightness to the situation. This is just me testing this out, so I'm going to hit continue. Because this is back when I was saving. So I had some issues as I was going through... All right. There we go. Okay. I think we're back in it. All right. So this is where we last left ourselves. We had made an unholy mess with black olives. And so I need to pick up all of... No, I want to pick them all up. Oh, my... Good. I've made a mess in the kitchen, and I am regretting everything. So this is going to take me a minute. Oh, I got to pick up all the olives. I wonder... Ooh, can I use a thing... There's another olive. Throwing that away. I should probably get myself another one of them containers. Come here. You. Come here. All right, so let's... Can we pick these up? No, we can't pick them up. Why would you want to be able to do that? This is delightful because the failure here is that I didn't take... didn't do this the right way in the first place. So I have to individually pick up the black olives from the floor. There's no vacuum or broom that I can find around here. So that's always exciting. I got it. So here's what I did. So originally, you'll see there are some black olives here. Oh, that's marinara. That's more marinara. Where are the black olives? I put them. Did I not put them? Container marinara, salami, mozzarella, sweet corn, white onion. So there was... Apparently I lost it somehow. I don't know where my... So I had black olives, but I didn't cut them. And so I put them in the thing. But then the guy in the corner, Chef Pepe, who I've called many other names at the beginning of the other video, which was mean, and I apologize for my unkindness, directed me and was telling me that I had to go put them in a slicer dicer. Well, I wasn't thinking very clearly about that, so I didn't slice and dice them, and so I didn't pass the mission objective. I don't know where my unsliced black olives went. That's a mystery that will probably plague me for the rest of my life. There's my dough. It's been hanging out over there. It'll be an X-Files episode of where in the world did Aaron's black olives go that were originally in a GN container, but now are not. Hey, okay. Like, let's look around for a second. I don't think I put it in the wrong place. There's no trace of the black olives, and I have 2 marinaras, and I don't think that's right. I don't know what I've done. I'm sure it's nothing good. White onion. Okay, well, let's go down and get ourselves some more black olives, because that's what we do. Get ourselves some black olives. Black olives are over here. 20 whatever that is, centavos. Okay, so now I need to put it in the cutter. Oh, hold on. I gotta put that down. Okay, get the GN cutter. Okay, open that up. Wait, is it the... Hover over the jar. You'll see the ingredient. Okay, so hover over the jar. TV continue. Consort. Okay. Last icon means, but we don't want to do that. Since that's clear, I'd like to have you with those black olives cut. So, into the GN... Okay, insert. Yeah, I got... So this game is funny. With a tutorial, you may have already put it in there, but then it makes you do it again. Okay, well, I don't know what I'm doing. This is no different than normal. Okay, so that goes in there. All the way in, all of them. Which is going to take a while. Come on. Olives in the container. That'll be a nice thing. So then I hit the red button. No, don't hit the red button. Hit the green button. Boop. 3, 2, 1, contact. It's the future. Da, 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 da. Yay! I did a thing! Let's bring the container with pizza dough to the yellow room. The yellow room? Oh, but that's not the container. That's the wrong thing. Oh, I tell you, I can't put it back where. Oh no, Oh no! Oh, the tragedy continues. Oh no! Oh, this is the worst. Can I just put it down there? No, I don't want to open that. I just want to put this. Why can't I? I don't know. I just want to drop it. Can I throw? I'm just throwing it on the ground. Okay. Picking you up. Okay. Follow the green line. Follow the yellow brick road. Don't spill the dough. Okay, I followed it. And then I put down the basket there. Pull the GN container. Wait, what? If you're already here, pull the GN container shelf back into the yellow room. Just. Oh, right. Okay, got it. Yep. There it is. Go to the marked area. I'm going to the marked area. Oh, wait. I can probably pick this up and then put this there. There we go. Everything's back in normal. Okay. Finish the preparation phase. We call it a day. To finish the preparation phase, head back to the blue room and click on the clock. Right. We managed to fix it. Bob the Builder fixed it. So we're going to make sure we save this sucker. And that's going to be enough for today. So I check and make sure that this actually worked. Tune in next time to see me actually go to the next day and entertain myself and you and the thousands in attendance with more pizza madness than you can shake a stick or any other object at. My name's Aaron. It's been a pleasure. I love you and like you just the way you are. Until next time, we'll see you in the next one.